Alright guys, I was just editing my videos I filmed yesterday for my other reactions, and my sister just said BAP's Rain Sound MV just came out and I'm gonna freaking watch it. I might as well. I was already editing my reactions. I'm gonna add another one to the list. Let's do this, man. BAP, man. Freaking crying.
Everybody has purple hair.
Hey. Yeah.
This reminds me of like a Beast song, huh?
Dude, I like these kind of songs, man. Oh, there's a freaking ambulance behind me. Someone freaking died.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, why you crying, man? Why are you setting dummies on fire, man?
I was setting a real person on fire. Zello?
Zello. Yeah. Man, this fool 15 years old, man.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
beautiful.
He a Nuna magnet.
Wait, didn't you just turn 16?
Oh, I think he's 16. Oh, shoot.
Why do you look his hair?
Yeah. Yeah.
What? Where have I ever seen that? Like this.
So sorrowful. Come back to me, come back to me.
I know.
Oh girl, you like a coffee. Oh shoot, you got shot. Oh my freaking god. What the heck? What? Oh shoot. First, why is the rain green?
God.
Wait, didn't.
Holy, yo.
No, this is just paintball.
Yo, that's not paintballs, man.
That's a pink bullet.
Yo. Why are you guys still standing?
Because they're as strong as their love.
They got it done gracefully.
With green rain. Grain.
It's not green rain. It's like toxic.
Holy crap. They got freaking shot.
Rain sound.
Freaking
Rain sound.
Yongo got shot in his
Well,
movie.
all the fangirls must be crying right now. They got freaking shot.
It's a paintball gun.
Alright guys, that was BAP's Rain Sound. That song, I was feeling. Oh, I'm gonna watch it again. Let's watch it again. I'm feeling that song, man. Bad to me, ooh girl, you like a coffee. So bad to me, so bad to me. Bang Jungkook, yeah, yeah. Man, how's his voice like that, man? It's like, oh, dang, man. I'm feeling this, man. It's like that feeling when, you know that song I like from Beast, Lightless? Oh, that song, nice.
Really?
You just like him because he's old like you. Yeah!
Jello. People said if T.O.P. and GD had a baby, it would look like him.
It did!
Weird.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait, this is just a pre-release?
Yep.
Look at this acid rain.
Yeah, acid rain. That's what I was gonna say.
Poison Rain.
I said toxic.
Oh.
Oh,
my
god dang it.
Paint.
That's not paint, man. Holy crap. Oh, shoot. Man.
Stop crying.
Big Yogu can't cry. I wonder how he sounds crying. Oh, man, dude. Look at that slow motion effect, man. Rain sound.
Rain sound.
Well, yeah, guys, that was BAP's
You can't say BAP like that.
Beat Sorry. Beat Sorry.
Hey.
Well, yeah, guys, that was a cool MV. Well, it was kind of sad because they got shot.
They didn't get shot.
But it's alright because they finna come back in the MV and they finna be alive. Alright, guys, peace out. BAP is jamming it out, man. That was a good song, man. Perfect for the weather. Alright, guys, peace out. Bye. I'm gonna go back to editing my reaction videos. Alright, guys, peace out.
새벽에 듣는 라디오 소리엔 익숙한 음악들 네 생각 내기엔 딱 좋아 비어있는 커피잔도 괜히